Hi, this is Mr. Lonergan, and I'm here with Mr. Bobro and friends working on SAT packet number 7, problem number 8. Let's read it. If b is an integer and x squared plus bx minus 30 equals 0, which of the following cannot be the value of b? Now, I don't teach Math 3, but I recognize this thing right here as a quadratic function. And I know there's some interesting things you guys did in Math 3 about factoring quadratics. If you remember, this is the, what did you call this? The standard form? And you wanted to rewrite it into factored form. You were looking for two numbers that multiplied together to be negative 30 and added together to be that middle coefficient, the b value. So, because it's negative, I know one of these numbers has to be positive, one of them has to be negative. So what I'm going to do, because I see, the other part that makes this tricky is I see the word cannot. And what that means is that in this list of choices, there are 4 right answers and 1 wrong answer. So I'm looking, I have to do the problem more than once to figure out where the wrong answer is, not where the right answer is. So let's start with this. What numbers multiply together to be negative 30? Well, I'm going to start with, could be 1 and 30. It could be 2 and 15. It could be 3 and 10, 5 and 6. Now, I'll remember that to be a negative 30, one of these has to be negative, one of them has to be positive. So just to keep my life easier, I'm going to go through and make the smaller number in each set negative. Next thing I'm going to do is look at what happens when I add these two numbers now to look at possible b values. 30 plus negative 1 is 29. Hey! That's one of my choices. 15, negative 2 plus 15 is 13. Negative 3 plus 10 is 7. Negative 5 plus 6 is 1. As I go through this list here, I can eliminate every choice that corresponds. 29 is a right answer. It's not the wrong answer. Same thing with 13. Same thing with 7. Same thing with 1. Looky here. 1 left over. Answer choice B is the correct answer. Thank you.